Just as the federal income tax was initiated to fund a challenging time, the sales tax in the United States were enacted in response to the Great Depression and World War I. States began to impose sales taxes in the 1930s. By the end of the decade, 22 states had implemented a sales tax. Tennessee began collecting sales tax in 1947. Each state can tax purchases of goods and services as it chooses. These taxes are commonly referred to as sales tax. In Tennessee, a portion of the sales tax is levied by the state, and another portion is levied by the respective county and city. Currently, the state sales tax is 7%. The local sales taxes in Tennessee range from 2% to 2.75%, producing a total sales tax ranging from 9% to 9.75%. Tennessee has one of the highest sales tax in the nation. Currently, 5 states in the U.S. have no sales tax: Alaska, Oregon, Montana, Delaware, and New Hampshire. In 2025, Tennessee's state and local sales tax is higher than every other state in the United States except for Louisiana. Quick question: if a state has low or no sales tax, is that the same as being a low-tax state? Nope, not at all. How is that possible? States blend the use of property tax, income tax, sales tax to raise the revenue they need to finance state and local government. Comparing one state to another is quite complex and in fact depends on the habits and lifestyles of the individual consumers. Another tax that impacts consumers is the excise tax. Excise taxes have been used by governments to discourage citizens from making certain purchases and to cover the cost associated with the use of other products. Some literature refers to these taxes as sin taxes. One of the best examples of a sin tax is cigarettes. Tennessee currently has an excise tax of 62 cents per pack of cigarettes. New York, on the other hand, has an excise tax of $4.35 per pack. Governments theorize that the use of these substances is not desirable for their citizens. The use of these taxes is meant to discourage but not prevent the use of the product. Some states also see this as a means of making the consumer pay for the cost the state may bear in the future when individuals have medical costs associated with the usage of the product covered by the excise tax. Other excise taxes, such as the gasoline tax, raise money that is allocated to specific projects. Tennessee's current gas tax is 27 cents per gallon. Most of the funds raised from this tax are allocated to construction and repair of roads, but another portion of the tax is appropriated to cities, counties, and even the state for more general purposes. State and local taxes may be a bit simpler than federal taxes, but they're still plenty complex. Additionally, taxes paid by residents in one state cannot easily be compared to another state because of each state's preference for the use of different taxing instruments.